this clip, I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's bookmark. We're going to make our bookmark out of foam so that it'll last a little better. We're going to move about 1.5 inches or so over to one side, and we're going to cut down a few inches and then over. Our bookmark doesn't have to be very big. Next, we're going to take and punch a hole in the top of it. Now that we've punched a hole, we're going to add some stickers. I've found some Valentine stickers. We're going to put some X's and O's on here. And we're going to add a couple little hearts. Next, we're going to take some yarn, and I've cut it into 2 strips. We're going to take it and we're going to stick it through the hole that we punched. You want to make sure that both sides it's through where both ends are the same length. Then we're going to take, and towards the bookmark, we're going to make a knot. Now we have our Valentine's bookmark.